So over here in Affinity, you got vector mode to go ahead and create out different vector graphics, pixel mode so that you can go ahead and edit photos and manipulate them and work with pixel graphics. Apart from that, you got layout mode as well if you want to go ahead and design publications. So as soon as I go on to the layout mode, you can see that I have an option to add in different pages right here, just like this, to work around with multi-page elements. Apart from that, I can go to master pages right here and maintain out master page as well. Over here on the left hand side, you can see that I got regular tools like node tool, frame tool, and apart from that, now I have table tool right here as well. And then different picture frames, as you can see right here. You got the place tool, data mesh tool, and so forth right here, just like this, which is more aligned with the layout. Over here on the right hand side, you got the regular access itself. So around over here, you simply have the document setup, which allows you to go ahead and work around with pages. And then you got the app settings itself right here, just like this. So this is basically what you have. And then here you can access the assets and stocks right here. And this is more tailored towards, like I said, multi-page layout as needed. And as we progress along in the next videos now, we're going to exactly see how we can actually work around with the layout view and edit our content in detail in this particular view. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe